pull this out to be fun. Good morning, guys. So it's party day and I've been up since about 6:30. It is 8:10 now. I am like completely together. So last night Cole went with his uncle and he ended up just keeping him all night. So I got a lot of stuff done and some good sleep. This morning I'm doing like last minute knick-knacky things. I didn't wrap the boxes last night, so I'm gonna wrap them tonight. And then I'm packing like our go bag with the last minute things we need. And then I just wanna clean up the house a little bit because we do have a couple of family members in town and they might wanna come over after. And his cousin might wanna come play with him after. And honestly, I don't want my house to be a wreck if people wanna come over. And then I kinda just wanna clean up a space for him to open his gifts when he gets home. Like, it's clean, but you know what I mean? Like, I want to mop the floor. I'm being extra, I know. So the reason why I don't like to open gifts at parties is because, like, I don't like people to feel a type of way about their gift if it isn't as expensive as somebody else's, you know? And sometimes family members will give really, really expensive gifts. And then if you're not a family member, you're like, well, I just got him this, like, toy truck, which all the gifts are great. And I started to say no gifts, but I know me personally, I like to give gifts. And so if somebody told me no gift, I'm still gonna bring a gift. So people have asked about gifts. So I kind of was like, oh, he just likes whatever, but we're not gonna open it. So what I do is I let him open them at home and just go through everything, take a mass picture and then tell everyone thank you, like via Facebook or like his little party page that I created to invite all his friends. That is how we say thank you, and we give out thank you bags. Last year he did a little video and told them thank you, and I posted it just simply because you don't want anybody to feel like their gift is not as good as somebody else's, because all gifts are amazing, no matter like if it costs $10 or $50. You know, you want everyone to feel appreciated. So I don't open gifts, to each his own, but I just don't open gifts at party. Plus it prolongs the party. The kids don't want to sit through that and like watch somebody else, or they want to take all the toys. That's where we've been. My child is the child who wants to take everyone's toys and play with them at the party. So I'm gonna have a dump gifts here station outside of the party, and then we just play and have fun. So here's where we're at. I am loving this camera, y'all, if you haven't been able to tell. Okay, so these boxes are all empty boxes. I actually had more and I ended up using them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the paper with me and tape, and then if I need to do any more and like add extra decor somewhere, then I can use them, because like on the cake table and on the like goodie table, I didn't really think of like what to put on them so that everything's not just flat. And so even if I like make the boxes look like bricks and stuff, I can use these as well. So any extra boxes will be used as bricks, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. And then I have, this is like my diagram of where everything's going to go, and like little descriptions in case somebody wants to help me. I'm taking the extra stickers just in case I need to put them somewhere. Extra undies, of course, because hello, not crazy. We will not go out of here without extra clothes. Here's my shirt that I ironed on last night. It's cooler than I thought it was going to be. So I'm going to put Cole in some jeans. And I'm also going to like make him look construction-y. So he has his t-shirt. This is one that somebody made for him, and this is the one that I ordered. I actually did not know they were going to give him this shirt, so he has 3 shirts now. Like, so my mom got him one after I had ordered him one, and he wore that on his actual birthday. And then a friend of his ended up giving, like a friend of ours ended up giving him one. So she gave him this one, and like on his other one, the Cole is orange and this one's red. So I really like this one. So I was like, okay, he'll wear this one today. But then I forgot I ordered this one. And so if he gets dirty and I need to take pictures, I'll have a backup shirt. So yeah, they basically were free except for this one I ordered from Amazon. But yeah, I kind of like his with his name on it a whole lot better. It looks like the overall theme of like each kind of truck. This is the one that matches the best. So this is one he will wear. And then if he just gets terribly dirty and I need to change it for a quick picture, we have this one on hand. I have an extra pair of pants in case he wets. And I got his little boots, his construction boots. This is actually from his Halloween costume. I got this set of tools and this tool belt from Target. So for picture purposes, I have all of this stuff ready to go. And then if the kids just want to play with it at the party, that's fine. So I had originally had these shoes and I was like, wait, he needs to look like a construction worker. So those are just backup shoes. Charger for his riding toy. Ooh, I need to wash my hands. Charger for his riding toy. Wipes in case people, you know, need to clean up their kids. I don't know why I have batteries in here. I just threw them in here. Cord for the stereo. I have a brush and Vaseline in here. And then this is the last iron-on for his godmom. She was supposed to come yesterday, but she didn't come. So I'm just going to pack it just in case. And I actually found the marker. I grabbed a Dollar Tree the other day so I could do these boxes. So let's get started. Because my mom was like, last night when we were doing all the goodies, she was like, you are in the wrong field. Like, you don't need to be a teacher. Like, you need to do something with arts and crafts. Because, like, I just like experimenting. Like, I'm not very creative. But when you get a kid, I feel like it makes you kind of, like, creative and want to experiment. But it's ultimately, I love planning things for people. I love making sure, like, people feel like loved and cherished. I love like making people happy. Like even yesterday at work, we were doing a baby shower for our nurse, and I knew I wanted to get her something off of her registry, but sometimes, you know, spending $100 on somebody could be a lot. So ultimately I was like, okay team, there's a bunch of us, everybody just give some money and let's get her something off her registry. And she was so appreciative. And I just like making people feel like loved and cherished, because that's how I would ultimately want to feel. All right, what's the plan? What's the plan here? I'm terrible at wrapping, but here's the idea I'm going for. All right, so this is the first one. Although I did a terrible job at wrapping it. We just won't look at the sides. But there we go. There's what I'm going for. So I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total boxes, all in different sizes that we can put around. And then of course I'm still going to take the paper in case we have something else. So yeah, here we go. Here we go. Really good. Okay, y'all, so it's party time. I decided to come and do a quick voiceover because I did not get any content of me setting up this party. I had a huge auditorium space to fill and it was raining, my help was running late, and I was stressed to the T. And so one thing I would do different in the future is have someone capture the moments as we're setting up, because we were all in the moment trying to make sure everything got done on time. But the party was a success. Everyone loved all the decorations and the treats. The sandbox was the hit. We set up 2 sandboxes with trucks inside of them and a couple of shovels, and the kids absolutely loved it. They loved the hard hats and the vest and decorating their hard hats. We also had a block station, and the kids thought it was props, so they were afraid to touch it. So I just kind of walked over and knocked them over at one point, so they felt okay playing with them. And we had 2 jumpers. We had Cole's actual jumper that is his, that we use at the house, that he got for Christmas. And then we had a bigger jumper. We got this one last minute because, y'all, we got scammed. Everything turned out great, and it was an amazing time, and the kids had a blast, so that's all that matters. So yeah, here is how the party went. It's okay. Hi, City. Do y'all want hats and y'all can put stickers on them? here's the card. Let's see. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa, what's in there? What's that? Oh, you got a cash register? Oh my goodness.
Whoa!
Whoa.
What time?
Yeah.
Wow!
Whoa. Oh no. Yes, that was from Miss Angie.
Whoa!
These are your tweets. Courageous and daring and extra nice too. Read the card. No. Oh, it has a mirror in it. No hero can top a great kid like you. Happy birthday from Becky and the girls.
Yeah.
So it is much, much later in the night. We are actually about to wind down. I actually have homework I need to do that's due tomorrow. So I'm about to do some homework. Cole is asleep. Party was a success. He had fun. He opened all his gifts. We had a little bit of a hiccup with the jumper because the person who was supposed to bring in the jumper never shows. We had to get one at the last minute, which the jumper we had was on theme. So now I gotta work on getting our money back because the guy just like never responded. But besides that, everything was great. We had like 16 kids, and there was a lot that like weren't able to make it. So it was a great turnout, but I think next year we're gonna be ready for a trip. So now that birthday party is done, we need to finish our classes and get ready for Disney this summer. Like legit next month, we gotta get ready for Disney. So I'm super excited. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.